Hi, this is Stephanie with the Catawba County Library System. Today I'm going to show you Overdrive, where you can get access to ebooks, e-audio, and more. To begin, go to the library's website at catawbacountync.gov/library. Click on Online 24/7. And select Adult and Teen Online Resources. Right at the top is Overdrive's NC Digital Library. Please click here. On the right-hand side here, we can sign in. You're going to select that you're part of the Catawba County Public Library System, and then please enter your library card number and click Sign In. So once you're in your account, you can see that we already have several different shelves of populated material for us to browse. We have most popular ebooks, most popular audiobooks, newest magazines, and there's a lot more material to choose from. You can also search for specific items we're interested in. Up here, here's our search keyword. I would like to search for hiking. And over here on the left-hand side, there are lots of different ways to narrow that search. I can click Available Now. I can change the audience, say I only wanted a juvenile title. And you can also change things like the format, say I just wanted magazines, or I only wanted hiking books that have to do with health and fitness. Now in this search subject, we can see that a lot of information is displayed from these visual titles. Let's look at Grandma Gatewood's Walk. Right now this says waitlist, so that tells me immediately that this item is not currently available, but if I'm interested, I can click down here and place a hold. If you look at this icon right here, it also tells me that this is an audiobook. I'm going to go ahead and click place a hold. So it placed that hold up for me. I'm 8th in line for this title. Now look at this title right here, 46 Days. Right at the top, we see that it's available. We see from this icon that it is an ebook. If I want to check it out, I just click Borrow. I can change the days for which it is available. I'm going to check it out for 7 days and click Borrow. And then we have some options. We can read it now in the Kindle, we can read it in our browser, or we can download it as an EPUB. You can also search by all of these topics up in here. You can search by subjects, collections, genres. Let's click on teens. And you can see that there's a lot of different topics in here populated as well. Let's go back to my account over here on the right-hand side. When you click here, loans refers to how many items you have currently checked out. So right now I have that 46 Days books that I just checked out, and I also have What Light by J. Asher. We can see when the titles expire. We can also return the item early if we were wanting to. Now you don't have to ever return e-materials. They return when they're due on their own. Let's say I didn't want this title, I was done reading it, I can click return right here, and now it's been returned. You can also rate your titles. And if you click these buttons right here, you can get a sample and see more information about that title, which is nice. Let's go up into my account and look at holds. And here we can see that title that I put on hold. It says its wait time is about 16 weeks. We can edit the email that they'll let us know when it's ready. We can also just remove the hold if we no longer interested in the title. And we can also do something called suspend hold. See, I know for the next 7 days I'm not going to be able to read this title. I can just click in here. It tells me that if it were to become available within the next 7 days, it's going to hold my place in line but won't make it available for me. I'm going to click suspend, and it tells me it's suspended until April 26th. Say I don't want the title at all, I'm going to click remove. It removes it from my waitlist. So you can see there's a lot of different features and ways to search for the items you're interested in. Please let the library know if you have any questions. We are here for you. Thank you.